Hello friends, now we will see about the conversion of push-down automata into context-free grammar. How to convert the transitions into productions. First thing is, the symbol should be represented in the form as PXQ. Here P and Q are states and X is the start symbol. P and Q are the states and X is the start symbol. This is the format for representing a symbol in the context-free grammar. Next thing is how to write the start production. Start production can be S implies Q naught, that is the start state, Z naught initial top of the stack, and P is defined as the set of states. If you are having 3 states means Q naught, Q1, Q2 means we have to write some 3 production. S implies Q naught, Z naught, Q naught. S implies Q naught, Z naught, Q1. S implies Q naught, Z naught, Q2. Write this for the start symbol S. There is having 3 possibilities for writing the production. Right? And next thing is you are having transition of the form. Q comma A comma X is equal to R comma some stack symbols Y1, Y2 up to Yk. Right? If you are having transition means this can be converted into production as, see here, Q X R K. Q X R K means this is the Q what we are having in the left hand side of the transition. X is the top of the stack. Here what is the top of the stack? That is equal to X. RK. RK means if you are having the states from R1, R2 up to RK means the last state, that is RK. RK may be anything, either R1, either R2, either R3. We have to write the production for each and every state. That is by using R1, we have to write one production. By using R2, we have to write another production. If you are having state R1, R2, R3 means that we have to write some 3 productions. For R1, one production, for R2, for R3. But here this Q and X are the same. Here what we are having Q, the same will be used for all the production, and for X is also the same X. Instead of this RK, we will use R1, R2, R3 up to RK. For each and every state we have to write a production. Right? Here input symbol, what is in the production? Followed by the state R. Here the R is common for all the productions. Right? Common for all the production means in this position of RK, if in the position of RK, if you are using R1, for that production also the state is equal to the same R. If you are using this as R7, here the state is R. Right? That is common for all the production because this is the state what we are having in the transition itself. In this position, if you are having R, this is common for all the transition. But here, if you are writing the transition for R1, this is R1 and this the last symbol we have to use the production R1 or R7 or R9. This R is common for all the production. And this Y1 and Y2, Y3 means that is the symbols present on the stack. If you are having only 3 symbols means Y1, Y2, Y3. Right? This is the symbols present on the stack. R is common and this R1, R2 can be replaced what we are having in the set of states. Right? So, how to write the productions by using this type of transition. Instead of that, if you are having epsilon here, if you are having epsilon here means that represents the pop operation. Right? For pop operation, how to write production means Q comma A comma R. That is Q. Here what we are having. Right? A comma R. R is the symbol here. Right, that is implies terminal. Sorry, here we will write this as X. Q comma A comma X. X is the top of the stack. Implies the symbol A. Here the symbol A is the terminal symbol. What is the symbol? Here we are using as the input is called as the terminal for this particular production. Q comma A comma X implies A. Here A is the terminal. This is for pop operation. If you are having pop operation means the equivalent production will be like this. Right? Consider an example. Now convert this push-down automata into CFG. How to convert this push-down automata into CFG? This is the given transitions and definitions. Here what are the states? Q naught, Q1, terminal 0 and 1, stack symbol X Z naught, start state Q naught, top of the stack Z naught. Right? First thing is these are the given transitions. We have to convert this into productions. First we will write the start production. How to write the start production? SC implies. Start production means SC implies start state. Here which one is the start state? Q naught, top of the stack Z naught, followed by the set states. Here what is the set of states? Q0 and Q1. First we will use Q0 and for next production we have to use the state Q1. So these are the two start productions. First how to write the start production means in this question we have to use the set of states. First I used here Q0, again I used here Q1. So these are the start productions. Next we have to convert this all transitions into productions. Here what is the first transition? Del of Q0 comma 0 comma Z0 is equal to Q0 comma X Z0. See here this transition is of the form Q comma A comma X is equal to R comma Y1 Y2 up to Yk. Here Y1 Y2 up to Yk means instead of that only we are having two symbols, that is X and Z0. Here Q0 0 Z0, top of the staircase Z0, and what is the symbol? 0 is the symbol. So how to write the production? See here by using this rule we have to write the production. First thing is first production is Q0, right? First production is see Q0 followed by X. Instead of this X here what we are having? Z0. Q0 Z0 RK. RK means set of states, right? Here the set of states are Q0 and Q1. In our example the set of states are Q0 and Q1. First we will write this for Q0. First we will write this for Q0. Implies terminal symbol. Here what is the terminal symbol? Here we are having the terminal symbol as 0. Followed by R. Here R is the state in the right hand side of the transition. State in the right hand side of the transition is Q0. State in the right hand side of the transition is Q0 followed by the stack symbol, that is X and Z0. First we will use X. Followed by the R1 state, that is in this position we will replace this as R1, R2, R3 up to Rk. So set of states. In this position we have to use the set of state means first I will use here Q0. Set of states. In the first step I used here as Q0 followed by again the set of states. So Q0. Again one more stack symbol is there. I used here X, so followed by Z0. That is Y1, Y2 up to Yk. Only we are having two symbols X and Z0. So X, here Z0. In the last, this is the last, that is R1 and R2. Only we are having two states. So the last one is, first thing is we are writing the production for Q0. So here it is equal to Q0. Right? 0, Q0, X, Q0, Q0, Z0, Q0. This is Y1, this is Y2, this is the state present here. That is the right hand side of the product. Transition is having Q0. That is in formula instead of R, here we used Q0. R1 and R2 are equal to Q0. Here we use first state Q0. Next we have to write the same production by using Q1. That is Q1. So Q0, X, these are set of states. This two position is replaced by the set of states. So instead of Q0, here we are using Q1. Q1 Z0, Q0. Right? This Q0 is replacing the position. What is the state present here? Right? But these two are the set of states. We are having two states, Q0 and Q1. So in the first first production we use the state as Q0 and in the second production we use the state as Q1. These two are for Q0, Z0, Q0. Next we will write production for, this is for Q0. Next we will write the production for Q0, Z0, Q1. Q0, Z0, Q1 implies 0. Like this again we will write this for the state Q0 and Q1 also. Right? So Q0 X, this is common, Q0 X is common. Again here the set of state, first we will use the state Q0, Z0, but here instead of this Q0, here we have to use the state as Q1. Here in this position we use the state Q0 because here we are writing the production for Q0. Next here we are writing this for Q1. So in this position it is equal to Q1. Next thing is 0, Q0, X, Q1. Here Q1, Z0, Q1. These are the production, equivalent production for the given transition, right? This transition is converted into production by using the rule what we have defined here, right? So these are the equivalent production for this particular transition. First thing is Q naught. This is first two are for the productions with Q naught. Because in this question here what we define RK, that is the set of states. So this two are for the state Q naught and last two are for the state Q1. The first two are for state Q naught and this two are for the state Q1, right? So here this is terminal 0. This is the state present in this position. These are the states on the right hand side of the transition, followed by the stack symbols y1, y2 instead of y1, y2, x and z0. And these are the set of states Q0, Q1, Q0, Q1. And at last we have to use the state what we used here, Q0. For Q0 in this question we have to write Q0. For Q1 here we have to write Q1. So these are the equivalent production for this particular transition, right? So next thing is, what is the next production? Next production is Q1 comma 1 comma x is equal to Q1 comma epsilon. That is here we are representing the pop operation. If you are having the pop operation means, then what is the equivalent transition? Equivalent production for that is, how to write the equivalent production? That is by using this rule. By using this rule, it is equal to Q1 comma the input symbol here. What is here? See here what we are having, the input symbol is Q1 comma epsilon comma x is x implies 1. Q1 comma epsilon comma x implies 1. Here 1 is the terminal, like this. Next one, for third one we have to follow this set of rules for converting this particular transitions into production. And for 4, 5, 6 we will write, simply we will write for fourth production. Third we will write, wait, for the fourth production the equivalent, for the fourth transition the equivalent production is Q1 comma epsilon comma x implies epsilon. The input symbol is also epsilon. Here the input symbol is also epsilon, so implies epsilon. For the fifth one, Q0 comma x comma epsilon implies 1. For the sixth one, Q1 comma z0 comma Q1 comma epsilon comma z0 implies epsilon, right? Yes, for the second production, del of Q0 comma a comma x is equal to Q0 comma xx. Here xx means the stack symbols are, both the symbols are same, right? So instead of here we are use the symbol as x and z0. Instead of this x and z0, in this both the symbol position we will use the symbol as xx, right? By using the same procedure, here we have written the production for this particular transition. First for Q0 x, that is state given here Q0 x, followed by, first we are writing the production for it Q0 implies terminal symbol a, followed by Q0 x. This Q0 is the state present in the right hand side of the transition. X, that is the stack symbol. Here this and this. First symbol, second symbol. These two are the set of states. In this position we are using this as set of states. Q0 Q1, Q0 Q1. And this Q0 is the state what we are defining here will comes in the last position. Like this is the production for Q1, right? Now we converted all the transitions into productions. Already we converted the pop productions, that is productions with pop operations. We converted into productions, right? Now we will rename the symbols, right? Now we will rename the symbols as A, B, C, D. We are using some 8 symbols. If you are having some 4 states, if you are having some 2 states and 2 stack symbol means there are 8 combinations for the symbols. That is Here the states are Q0 and Q1 and the symbols are X and Z0. The states are Q0 and Q1 means there are 4 possible combinations. Q0, 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 Q1, Q1, Q0, Q1, Q1. These are the 4 possible combinations. These 4 possible combinations for X. Again the same 4 possible combinations for Z0. So there are 8 possible symbols we are using in the construction of the equivalent CFG for this given PDA. Right? The 8 states are named from A through H. Right? Now we will write the productions in the simple form. That is, what is the start production be? Here the start production be considered as S implies. S implies Q0 is not Q0. What is Q0 is not Q0? That is equal to E. So S implies E slash Q0 is not Q1. Q0 is not Q1 is F. So E slash F. Right? Next thing is see here. Q0 is not Q0. That is E implies 0. This is 0. 0 followed by Q0 x Q0. What is Q0 x Q0? That is equal to A. Q0 x Q0 is equal to A. Q0 Z0 Q0 is equal to Q0 Z0 Q0 is equal to E. 0 A E. And one more production for the same variable E is slash. One more production means slash 0 Q0 x Q1. Q0 x Q1, that is B. So 0 B followed by Q1 Z0 Q0. Q1 Z0 Q0, that is equal to G. So 0 B G. Like this we have to convert all these productions in the simple form. Next thing is, yes, these are the set of productions we renamed by using this variables. Here this we renamed and all this variable name can be used in production form. Right? Now the CFG G is defined as VTPS, variables, terminals, productions and start symbol. Variables here we used are S, A to H, and from A to H are the variables used here. Terminal symbols are 0 and 1, and these are the set of productions, and S is the start symbol. The same S will be used as the start symbol in our production in our context free grammar. This is how to convert the push down automata into equivalent context free grammar. Right? Thank you.